everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I went to Pick and Save, you guys. Why? Because there is an awesome deal for diapers. If you guys need diapers like me, I definitely need diapers. And I only got one newspaper yesterday, so I only have one of the inserts. I'd love to do this again, but you know what? That's okay. So there is an awesome deal going on at Pick and Save, is what my store is called, but it's a Kroger affiliate. My cat is gonna lay right on my paperwork. But it is a Kroger affiliate, so basically it has different names, and they just, you know, sell a lot of the same, they kind of do the same deals as Kroger and everything. So, but they just recently started doing the cash back. So if you guys do, if you guys never done the cash back stuff, definitely check out the app. I did not know about it until I just read the app not that long ago. Sorry, my cat smells something. So definitely check that out, because now you guys can get cash back and you can stack up on it. Thank you for everybody who was helpful for me last week. I totally forgot to add something. Sorry you guys, I forgot to add my cash back to the thing, so I had to add that. So I did a lot of Ibotta deals because Ibotta actually has been stepping up their game. When I opened it up today, there was even more Ibotta deals than there was last week. So I am so excited to head to Walmart this week, you guys, because I really want to do it. But I like hitting Walmart on Thursdays because that's when they have brand new rebates. They usually come out on Wednesdays, and then they always have the Weekend Warrior. So I always like, you know, trying to get the best bonuses that I can get on Thursdays. So I did the cereal deal again. If you guys have not known about the cereal deal, the cereal is after you buy 5 of the buy 5 get 5, you don't have to have them all in 5 increments, which is nice because I got so sick and tired of trying to tally mark every single thing. They got rid of that recently, which is awesome because now I can just grab it and go and not have to do the math and not get messed up. And my cat's just being a butt. So all the cereal is $1.49. Now there are printable coupons that you guys can print from the Kellogg's Family Rewards site, and you guys can get some free books. I am already maxed out on books. I'm gonna see if I can submit one of my friends' account, and then I'm gonna send those books. I'm gonna get some baby books for my friends because, you know, why not? So I had a 50-cent off printable coupon for this. So you guys would pay you'd pay 99 cents for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta. So this box of cereal comes to 49 cents plus a free box of, free book. 49 cents and a free book. Yes, okay. And then I also did the mini wheats. I got 2 of these boxes. These are again $1.49. I had $1 off a 2 printable coupon, so you would pay $1.98 for these, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate times 2 with Ibotta, making them 98 cents or 49 cents plus, sorry, there's a cat here in my mouth, plus you guys will get them for 49 cents and a free book. So I got 2 boxes of the mini wheats. I have so much cereal right now. I'm going to be donating a lot of this, you know, because it's awesome. Frosted Flakes. Now there was $1 off a 2 coupon. I already used that up. I didn't print off another one because I'm just going to save it until I go to Walgreens or the next day or next sale. But I ended up having $1 off of 3. So I ended up getting 3 boxes of cereal. I got the Corn Pops, or I got the Corn Flakes. I got the Corn Pops. And I got the Apple Jacks. I was reading the back. So I got these 3 boxes. Again, $1.49. I used that $1 off of 3 printable coupon. I paid $3.47 for all 3 boxes. But then with the Corn Pops, you can submit a 60-cent rebate. With the Apple Jacks, you can submit a 40-cent rebate. And with the Frosted Flakes, you can get a 45-cent rebate. So the Apple Jacks and the Fruit Loops, you get a 40-cent, but the Pops, you get 60, and the Corn Flakes, you get 45. So it just depends on what deal, but if you guys do those kind of deals, it comes out to be $2.02 or just 67 cents a box. That is a great deal. I'm like just swimming in cereal. Sorry, I'm petting my cat because I just love petting that baby softness. Now, I wanted to share with you guys the diaper deal. I totally forgot about the diaper deal. There is a diaper deal going on where if you spend $40 or more, you get an instant $10 off. So, I'm going to tell you guys this. This is the only breakdown I'm going to have written down for you guys. The other stuff you can kind of figure out. But I ended up getting, now it will be cheaper out of pocket if you do the pull-ups. I don't need any pull-ups. So if you guys need to do pull-ups, it's a little bit cheaper out of pocket. I know the pull-ups I think are $9.49. So if you need to do the pull-ups, you just need to get $40 worth of pull-ups. So you could probably get, you can only use 2, I think, I don't know if you can use 4 of those coupons, but you could use 4 of those. I don't know the limit on the coupons, but you guys could do that and then just get some baby wipes and then make that cover your cost. But I ended up getting some some diapers. Now these were $7.49. I bought 5 of them. I only brought 1 of them down here because I put the other ones away. So you want to buy 5 of the packs of diapers for $7.49. And then you also want to buy 2 packs of baby wipes. 2 packs of baby wipes. These are $1.99. Now, I had a 3 off of 2 coupon that I got from my inserts yesterday. I had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. And then I also printed off a $1 off coupon from like the Huggies websites or Scott's. I printed off a $1 off coupon for the Huggies diapers. And then I also printed off a $1 off of 2 coupon for the wipes. Okay, so 2 3 off of 2s, $1 off, and then 1 off of 2 printable coupons. Okay. It comes out, before the coupons, it comes to $41.43. After the coupons, it comes out to be, well, the diapers are $30.45 and the baby wipes are $2.98. So whatever that is, take away $10 because once you spend $40, the $10 instantly comes off. So you guys will end up paying $23.43 for 5 packs of diapers and 2 things of wipes. $23.43. But then you guys can submit on Ibotta times 5. Now this did reset for me. I was just at CVS yesterday and it did reset. Usually it takes a little bit more than 24 hours for it to reset. But you can submit up to 5 diaper wipe or Huggy diapers. So I got $5 back coming back with Ibotta. Okay. Yes. I also got a $5 Catalina that printed off, so I'm going to use that if I can do this deal again. And then I also received a $1.50 coupon. So if you submit the $5 off Ibotta, you include the $5 Catalina, and then if you scan your receipts to fetch rewards, you guys get points. There's also a deal, I think if you spend $25 or more on Huggies, you get 3,000 points, so that's $3. So I did submit my receipt. The Fetch didn't catch it, so I had to change it. So I don't know all the exact points I got, but I do know I'll be getting the 3,000 points from Fetch. So your grand total comes to $10.43 for all that. That's an awesome deal. You will get each one. I cannot speak, you guys. My cat is distracting me. You'll get, each one will be $2.08 plus the 2 free wipes. So you can't go wrong. $10 for all 7 items. That's an awesome deal. But I prefer the Huggy wipes over the Pampers diapers or the Pampers wipes, but the diapers I really don't care. I just like the Pampers reward system a whole lot better. Huggies does have a reward system, but every single time I submit my receipt, I get denied. I just don't understand it, so I just kind of stopped doing it. So there was that, and then I got a couple other things to share with you. I ended up having a coupon for a free thing of Sargento cheese. So this was $3.50 that I got for free. I also got the cookie dough, Pillsbury cookie dough. Now these were $1.79. I had a $1 off of 2 digital coupon, so you would pay $2.58 for this. But as long as you have your card connected to Savings Star, you guys will get a $1 off of 2 Savings Star rebate. So these come out to be just $1.58 or 79 cents a piece. Now there was an Ibotta deal for these, but they took them away. It doesn't matter. Oh, these are you can eat or bake. I've been loving some cookie dough lately. So yes, got those for 79 cents. Then I got the Chobani. Now these are the less sugar. These were $1.25 or they were 4 for $5, but one of you guys said that even they get you at the 4 for $5, they're technically $1.25, so you can buy one and you'll still get it for that price. So I bought 2 of them for $1.25. I didn't have any digital coupons, I don't remember, but I ended up getting 60 cents back with Ibotta, so you get 60 cents off of 2, and then they had the cash back with the app where you get 60 cents off of 2, so that comes out to be just $1.30 or 65 cents a piece if you guys want to get some of the Chobani deals. I've been just really, there's a hole in my base. I've been really trying to get the Ibotta deals. Now if you guys are team beach ball, check your app. You go to the summer bonus, whatever they have, and then it has a symbol on it and it'll show you what you have. I don't know what other symbols they have. I just have a team beach ball. Now to get in the thing, you need to get 50 rebates. I'm about halfway there, and I have until the end of the month to get 50 rebates. Once you guys redeem 50 rebates, you're in like this, and you get the whole team like ends up getting like 3 million rebates, I think. Then you guys can like get some money. So I don't know how true that is. I've never seen any of that bonus money, so but we will see what happens. We will see. So if you guys want to be on my Ibotta team, I do have a link below where you guys can actually Facebook friend request me, not Deals by DesignerJen, Facebook friend request me. Just make sure your account is linked to Facebook, your friend request me, and you're on the same team so we can get some more money, okay? So there was that. And then I got one little bag left for you guys. I also had a freebie of the oatmeal. I swear that's all they've been giving me is free oatmeal like crazy. I have so much oatmeal I need to eat it, but this doesn't expire till April, so I got some time. But that was like it was $2.79 I think, and I got that for free. I got also a pail of ice cream. That was $3.49. It was also included in the buy 5. But I had a coupon and I was not expecting to go there today, so I left the coupon at home. Not a big deal, but I was excited. You know, $3.49 for a gallon of ice cream is a great deal. But I did get the Ben & Jerry's pints. Now there's 2 of them. I got 2 of them. These were $2.99. I had a $1.50 off a 2 Kroger Pick and Save coupon that they mailed to me. So I paid $4.48 or just $2.24 for this is what I got it because I wanted it. And then I think this also, you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards to get some points. So you need to get that. I had a 2 off of 2 digital coupon for the Aussie. These are also coupons that we received this past Sunday. So these were $1.99 each. You guys want to use that 2 off of 2 digital coupon. You would get these for, where did I not write this? I wrote this down. It comes out to be like 99 cents each. Why didn't I? Yeah. You'd be $1.99 or 99 cents each, and you guys can submit your receipt to the P&G app. Then you guys will get 50 points and 50 points. All right, let's get some freebies. Oh, and Starbucks apparently came back. So if you guys are gunning for Starbucks, definitely go ahead and do that. Then I got the Renews-Its. I could not pass up this deal. Now the Renews-Its are 10 for $10, so they're $1 a piece. I only needed 5 of them, so I got 5 of them for $5. Now there is a rebate for $2 off of 5 with Ibotta, and there is a $2 off of 5 cash back in the app. So these come out to be just $1. They come out to be 20 cents a piece, so I could not go wrong with the Renews-Its. So I got 5 of them. I was pretty excited for that. So yeah, that was my haul. I didn't go like crazy, but you know, I just wanted to get some Ibotta rebates, and I did. So definitely check out the diaper deal. That's a good deal if you guys really need to stock up on diapers. I'm stocking up on size 4s because it goes all the way up to 37 pounds, and I have a feeling Miss Charlotte's going to be in size 4s for a very long time. So I want to stock up because you never know. So my grand total came to $54.71. I ended up getting, I got that $5 off Catalina, so I kind of want to do the Huggies deal again because I know there's a deal if you do 3 separate transactions, you can get a $2 bonus. So I kind of want to do it again. I just got to find some Huggies coupons to do that deal, so hopefully I can get some. Then with Ibotta, I got $10.55 back. With Fetch, like I said, I'm not sure what I'll be getting back, but I know definitely for $3,000 for the Huggies. For Savings Star, I got $1. I will be getting $1 back. And then for the cash back through the app, I'll get $2.60. So my grand total came to $33.36 for all that stuff. I got 26 items. Like I said, I messed up on the math, but I mean, I think that's a pretty decent deal. I mean, you can't go wrong with the boxes of cereal for 50 cents. The diapers are $2 a piece. Like, I just can't go wrong. I can't go wrong. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know. I'm going to try to do more videos for you guys like this. Just with everything going on, you know, people want to save money on groceries, and I like to share as many grocery deals as possible. I feel like when I do the Walmart Ibotta deals, it's mostly like personal care products, and then there's food deals. But with Pick and Save, especially their buy 5 get 5, I feel like there's a lot of good deals. So I want to share with them as many as I can. So if you guys ever see a good deal, message me, let me know. If it's like 1 or 2 deals, I may or may not go, but you know, if it's a big deal, I want to go. I want to save some money. So please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye bye.